Guys, nandito na yung ulam namin. Yan, maglapag na siya ng plastic. Kailapag na yung ulam namin, guys. Yan, sarap, guys. Nandito yung isa. Diba? Topping. Yan. Thank you. Ayan na, guys. Kamsa-kamsa. Oo.
Sadik mo ya.
May muya pa daw. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ayan. So guys, kain na tayo. Bye-bye. Ha? Yung? Hat? Maliit to.
Oh,